Om Medhavine Namaha.
Medhavi means one who has Medha Shakti. Medha means, generally it is called Smarana Shakti, memory power. All of you have memory power, isn't it? Don't you have memory power? But you have great memory power in Kachara stuff. Who is the movie Abhiman? Who is the heroine? Who is the heroine? See, what a memory! What a memory! What a memory! What is that verse in the Gita chapter 4, verse number 33? Huh? Swamiji, that Gita verses and all memory somehow it doesn't come, Swamiji. But how come Jaya Bhadra memory and all? Those very clearly, it comes on instantaneous. Kachara memory is very quick. So, therefore, we should understand, memory power here is Grantha Artha Dharana Shakti. It's called Medha Shakti. That too, what Granthas? Not novels. Novels also is okay, or literature, fine. But mainly, Vedanta Grantha Artha Dharana Shakti. That Shakti, that power is called memory power. The ability to understand the scriptures. Not only understand, but also retain. We understand while I am teaching, you understand. After that, by the time you go to Annapurna, clear. That's why I thought, let us stop Annapurna and see what happens. Same thing whether you go to Annapurna or not, it is clear. By the time you wear the shoe, from your head you say, shoo, shoo, shoo. Everything clear. What to do? So, the ability to retain. Because we say, Swamiji, I forgot. And we take forgetfulness as not a big blunder at all, isn't it? Do you think I forgot? How many times your husband says, I forgot. I'm sorry, dear, I forgot. Does the wife feel very, very bad? And many wives told, Swamiji, my husband is always like this. Swamiji, he forgets everything. He's an absent-minded professor, Swamiji. That too, absent-minded professor. One professor used to always forget his umbrella. Always. His wife told him, how many umbrellas, every time you forget, how many umbrellas can we get? He said, okay. He got a little upset. Then he decided, now I will not allow my wife to criticize. So he thought, next day he went over. And then when he returned from, he brought the umbrella. I said, see, I did not forget the umbrella today. She said, you did not take the umbrella today. Whose umbrella you brought? That is our memory. Always forgetful. And we don't take it very seriously. Forgetfulness is a serious crime. Greatest blunder is forgetfulness. Because it all started with forgetfulness. What? What started with all forgetfulness? Forgetfulness of the self is the ego. I forgot my own self. I as I. Therefore, I have become so and so. So and so means pig, sow and sow. And we are living a piggish life. So, forgetfulness of the self is ego. Therefore, remembering it and abiding in it is the greatest sadhana. Tasya smriti tatra dridhaiva nishtha. Remembering it and abiding in it. That is the greatest spiritual practice. So Vedanta alone reveals that. Therefore you can remember it. Remembering Vedanta is remembering your own self and abiding in it. And Gurudev, he remembered not only the Shastra was always he was established in it. Brahmanishta. But people whom he must have met them once long ago, many years ago. He'll remember them. They were surprised. Because we are 1 in a million, yet he'll remember. Experiences, the places. That Gurudev's memory power is unbelievable, unimaginable. And also he's a Medhavi Purusha and Vidwan. He knew every science. He knew the essence of every science. What is the crux of each science? That's also Medhavi.
Om Medhavine Namaha.